Hey guys, my heater core is leaking, but I am dying to try to start this car. I decided not to change the heater core just yet. I actually decided I am gonna just bypass it. So I'm gonna show you in this video how to bypass the heater core. It's a lot easier than you think. Okay, so you're gonna need random hoses of random sizes. I always keep a whole bunch of random hoses from different projects. And see, what you gotta do is on the back firewall, right? You gotta look for the two pipes or hoses, sorry, that go into the firewall. See, there's one and there's one underneath it. So those go into the heater core in your car. That's what heats up the inside of your car. So, I mean, you can just completely bypass this. Yes, you're not gonna have a heater in your car, but your engine will run fine. It won't affect it. So all I did is, see, I disconnected this one from here. And then the bottom one, see, I disconnected it from here. There's like a plastic tube inside of it, right? And then what I did is I grabbed some extra hose, see, and I ran it from the one hose, and I just looped it around back into there. So now, instead of the water or the coolant traveling from the one hose, going through the heater core and coming right back out, now it just travels right through here. It goes into this pipe, loops back around into the other hose there, and just goes back into the engine. It just loops it around. So that is how you bypass a heater core, guys. Just a quick, short little video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And I am restoring this car to its brand new glory. So make sure you subscribe.